Walang itinatayong military base ang China sa Bajo de Masinloc. Ito ang giniit ng Armed Forces of the Philippines o AFP matapos ihayag ni Philippine Ambassador to the United States, Jose Manuel Romualdez, na may itinatayong struktura ang China sa nabanggit na lugar. Ayon kay Armed Forces of the Philippines spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Rear Admiral Roy Vincent Trinidad, tanging illegal na presensya lamang ng mga barko ng China ang kanilang namomonitor sa BDM.
We have not monitored any construction on Scarborough Shoal, except for the presence of the PLA Navy, the Chinese Coast Guard, and the Maritime Militia.
Wala din namanong nakikitang missile na dineploy ang China sa loob ng Bajo de Masinloc.
It is safe to assume that warships would be armed with different missiles. So missiles aboard warships could be also the same. That could have been what the good ambassador was referring to. Not inside the shoal, but on board the ships.
Batay naman sa pinakahuling monitoring ng AFP, nasa 18 barko ng China ang nakapalibot sa West Philippine Sea. Kabilang dito ang 4 na People's Liberation Army Navy at 5 Chinese Coast Guard sa Bajo de Masinloc. Nasa 4 na Chinese Coast Guard naman ang nakabantay sa Ayungin Shoal, 2 People's Liberation Army Navy at 1 CCG sa Escoda Shoal at 1 PLA Navy at 1 China Coast Guard sa Pag-asa Island.
Their presence in our EEZ, their illegal presence, is not only limited to Bajo de Masinloc, but even the other features in the West Philippine Sea. They have a semi-permanent presence already in the West Philippine Sea and in Bajo de Masinloc.
Ang datos ay mula ng February 15 hanggang February 22. Ryan Lisiges para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.